if the square root of 3r minus s over r equals t, express r in terms of s and t. So at the end I want r equals something. Okay, so how would I get rid of the square root? So in order to get rid of a square root, we square both sides. So what we're going to get here is going to be 3r minus s over r equals t squared. Now I'm going to put t squared over 1 because we're dealing with fractions. So my common denominator is going to be r, and it's going to be 1. So r into this, it's going to be 1 times. So this 3r minus s is not multiplied by the r, it's multiplied by the other one, which is 1. Okay, so that's multiplied by 1. And this t squared is not multiplied by the 1, it's multiplied by the r. Okay, so it's t squared r. So bringing that back up here, remember when we have it in equals, we can ignore the bottom now because we have it all over the same thing and multiply out the brackets. We get 3r minus s equals t squared r. Now remember what I want at the end. I want r on its own. So I'm going to bring all the r's to one side. 3r minus t squared r equals, and I'm going to bring the minus s to the other side, equals s. I'm going to factorize out the r. So I'm left with 3 minus t squared equals s. And to get r on its own, I divide both sides by 3 minus t squared. So my answer is r equals s over 3 minus t squared. So there's the answer for what r is. Okay. Now, second part, find the value of r when s equals 4 and t equals 6. So this word hence. Okay, so what they're implying is that because of what you did earlier, they want you to use it again. So I'm saying r is equal to s over 3 minus t squared. So r is equal to, well, s is 4, 3 minus a half squared, because t is a half. Okay, so keep going over here. R is equal to 4 over 3 minus, well, a half squared is a quarter. So r is equal to 4 minus 3 minus a quarter is 2 3/4. Now I'm going to cheat a small bit. I'm going to use my calculator. So the answer is 16 over 11, and it's this, and it's in the form that you want it. Okay, so there's the answer for that.